So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a Cash App account. So we have the app right over here downloaded. So when we actually click and load it up, first and foremost, it's going to ask you to either enter in a phone number or an email. So we're going to go ahead and plug in a phone number here. And then right over here, it's going to send us a verification code that we're going to plug in. And right over here, it's going to ask you to add a bank using your debit card. You can go ahead and skip this process right now if you don't have a card on you. If you do, you can go ahead and plug it in. We're going to go ahead and click on skip. And right over here, it's going to ask for your first and last name. And right over here, it's going to ask you to use a cash tag. Now, this is going to be something that you can give to other people so they can find you on the platform easily. You can also change this later, so keep that in mind. So we're going to plug one in and click on next. From here, it's going to ask you to enter in your zip code. And then from over here, it's going to say Cash App is better with Cash Card. This is a free debit card that you get. You can customize it. You can see you can actually doodle on it as well. You get instant discounts. There's no fees, and it is FDIC insured. So what we can do is skip on this for now, or we can click on next. So we're actually going to just go ahead and skip this for this example here. And then it takes you to a page right over here that you can see. You can go ahead and invite other people. Right now, they do have different promotions. So you can get $15 for signing up with Cash App. Once you're done with this portion of it, you can click the X button on the top right. And it says, welcome to Cash App. And just like that, we have our Cash App account up and running. Like I mentioned, go ahead and check out the show notes down below if you want to go ahead and sign up. You do need to send a little bit of money to friends or family members to get that nice little sign up bonus. But once you go ahead and go through that, I'm going to put another video up here on screen so you can actually learn a lot more about utilizing Cash App.